Not got any gifts. There's nothing going on except the fact that we're just working on a film together. I don't know why my name would be unnecessarily dragged into this. One of the rumors again. We are great friends and I am very fond of Farah. Hi everybody, this is Asin and you're watching BollywoodHangama.com.
We have with us vivacious, ebullient and chirpy Asin, who's celebrating her birthday today. Great pleasure having you in Bollywood Hangama.
Thank you so much.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Asin. Happy birthday to you.
Asin is here for this special meet and greet with Bollywood Hangama contest winners. How was the experience meeting your fans today?
Fabulous. It's always a pleasure to meet your well-wishers and that too on a special day like this to celebrate it with all of them. It's amazing. Thank you Bollywood Hangama for organizing this.
Asin's second film in Bollywood is releasing shortly and it's called London Dreams. The buzz is tremendous. First film with Aamir Khan, second film with Salman Khan and Ajay Devgn.
Yeah, I know. Being very fortunate now in the industry. I don't know, because this actually feels like, my first Bollywood venture because this is the first time I'm actually working with an out-and-out Bollywood cast and crew. So I'm looking forward to that reaction from the people. Again, after 10 months of Gajini, this is coming out. So let's see.
The promos have generated quite a buzz and it's looking good. And what kind of compliments have you been getting?
But people have liked the songs. And the dialogues are even more interesting according to the people, the promos, the dialogue promos.
Kavi Sita.
So really good positive response and I hope that continues for the movie also.
आप हर रोज फैंसी ड्रेस कंपटीशन में जाती हैं या गेटअप चेंज करना आपकी हॉबी है?
Vipul Shah is one of the most sought after filmmakers in Bollywood and how was the experience of working with him? There's a lot of emphasis on the story and we seem to be getting a lot of emotions within the story in this movie.
Yeah, you're very right. I mean, it's very much like the other Vipul's films which have a lot of emotions in them, drama in them. So this is also like that. Vipul as a director, I find him very cool to work with and this is not like interview me when you ask one of the actresses, then obviously she'll say that, he's a cool director to work with, those cliched kind of things. He is somebody who knows how to handle people and situations very well. Plus, he should not transfer his tensions to the people around him and keep the atmosphere really comfortable to work in and that's exactly what Vipul did,
Your best song in the film?
I'm on the fence on this one. I completely adore Khana Badosh. And I also like the Hatke number Manko Adibhave. So it depends, sometimes I like that, sometimes I like this. It's difficult to choose between those two, but those two are my top.
There are a few rumors doing the rounds. First of all is, how do you react?
Half of and 3/4 of my interviews these days just go in clarifying rumors which are just figments of people's imagination.
Let's do it once and for all. Let's do it once and for all.
Okay, fine. Right.
First of all, how do you react when journalists ask you that has Salman Khan gifted you a house?
How am I supposed to react to something that's completely false? After a point of time, you just forget about giving clarifications also because you understand that you should not be wasting your energies doing that again and again and again and telling people that, I have not got any gifts. There's nothing going on except the fact that we're just working on a film together. Yeah. So, after a point of time, I have actually gone through evolution. I've evolved. Darwin's theory. I've grown thick skin. So now, whatever rumors, I'm like, okay, this is part of, in the industry that I'm working in. Yeah. But it does initially annoy you. I'll be lying if I say it doesn't. But, you learn to just not concentrate on that and just concentrate on your work, focus your positive energies on that and not be negative about it.
You share a wonderful camaraderie with Farah Khan on a show and rumors that Asin has refused Farah Khan's film opposite Shah Rukh Khan.
Please welcome the Jawan and Haseen, Asin!
That's just rumors. It was again somebody's imagination running wild. We are great friends and I'm very fond of Farah. But that's obviously the reason why I came on the show. and I have a great rapport with my contemporaries too. So I did the show, and just because I did that, I don't know, people just had to sit down and write a story about us working together, which we've not discussed. Let me just clarify, we've not discussed working together.
A few more rumors doing the rounds that on the sets of London Dreams, there were issues in terms of makeup and everything. Asin wanted a certain makeup artist and all that. Those things, they irritate you.
Yeah, like I said, it used to annoy me slightly in the beginning, because obviously when you are new to a place and then people just have to write false stuff about you, you start wondering why they do that. And why? Because you're just doing your work and coming back home and not doing anything else. So why would people just actually sit down and write stuff? So yeah, it did annoy me. And you know me better than that, Faridun. I'm somebody, probably unlike my contemporaries, I'm not really very bothered about my looks or anything of that. So I'm not obsessed with it. And I'm somebody who's a complete director's actor. You could probably ask Vipul that. He is a person who hires people to work on the film. He hires me, he hires the technicians, and I completely go by his decision. So, it's a look, it's a character which Vipul has for his film, Priya. I'm trying to portray that character, and all of us together are trying to bring about a look for the film. So Vipul has his idea as to who best will do it, and he's ahead and he takes the decision. So he hires the people. I have no say in it at all, and I don't even really try to have a say in it or interfere, because I know that he has imagined the character in a certain way, and he has the trust in certain technicians to bring that out. Like he has the trust in me to bring that out as an actor. So I just leave it to him, and I don't know why my name would be unnecessarily dragged into this.